Good morning all. How are you all? Do you have any idea about today's session?
No, teacher. We all are curious about your class.
Are you curious about my class?
Because you said yesterday that don't miss today's session.
Yes. Today we are going to study an important section in geography.
Yes, teacher. We are waiting for that.
Can you identify what is these?
Yes. This is our world map.
These three maps shows three different concepts. What are they?
First one is earthquake zones. Second is volcanoes. And third map indicates mountain ranges.
While observing these, can you identify any common feature?
No.
Look at this map and now you get the answer.
Yes. These volcanoes, mountain ranges and earthquake zones are almost similar place.
Is this seems like border of something?
It seems like border of the continent.
Yes, very good. More than that, there are the borders of plates.
Plates? What do you mean by plates?
Do you know the outer layer of the Earth is crustate and it is solid state?
Land and ocean. The Earth is made of 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, inner core, and the outer core.
Yes, teacher. Is this crust is called as the lithosphere?
No. These crust together with the upper mantle is known as lithosphere and its thickness is 100 km. It is floated in the molten rock material zone known as asthenosphere.
It is broken in so many pieces. These parts of the Earth are called the tectonic plates. These plates keep floating on the hot molten inner layers of the Earth.
Crust in continuous layer, but it has boundaries.
Good question. Now we have 7 major continents. Some minor continent. But millions of years of age, the present-day continents were a single unit forming supercontinent named Pangaea, which is encircled by an ocean called Panthalassa.
Then how this Pangaea gets splits in many parts and moves away from present continents?
Pangaea first begins to be formed apart when 3 prolonged fissures grew between Africa, South America and North America. Then this Pangaea gets drifted over the ocean floor, formed the present continents.
Teacher. Who found this movement of plates? Though these happened in millions of years ago.
Alfred Wegener. A Grumman meteorologist put forwarded the idea of continental drift theory in 1912.
How did he get this concepts?
The evidence is from the conscience. This South America and Africa can be fitted together. This show that THS conscience were once joined together. The facial till deposits in the southern hemisphere are the evidences for this.
Yes. Right, teacher. The America really fits with Africa on shape.
Teacher, is this plates only moves away each other?
No, these plates moves in 3 different ways: divergent margins, convergent margins and transform margin. Is plates moves in 3 different ways? Yes. Convergent margins are the margins, moves towards each other. If the difference in density, the denser plates will submerge under then lighter on. This zone is known as subduction zone. The Challenger Deep, in the Pacific Ocean, fold mountains with the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, the Atlas are formed by the convergent margins.
Teacher. Is this divergent margin the plates moves away from each other?
Yes. Very good. You're right. This is found in the African plate and South American plate. When the plates moves, new ocean floor is continuously being created, as a result of divergent margins, and solidification along the edges of the plates. The mountains ranges known as the Mid-Atlantic ridges, has been formed as a divergent of plates.
Then teacher, what is this transform margins?
The plate slides past each others to form transform margins. As plate margins are weaker than others areas, such margins are generally vulnerable to earthquakes, volcanoes and faults.
These three types of movements of plates causes the present form of conscience.
S. Through divergent, convergent on transform movements of the plates causes the present form of the continents.
Teacher, we have 7 major continents such as Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Then how many minor continents we have?
So many minor plates are there. Some of them are Arabian plates, Burman plates, Caribbean plates, Cocos plates, Nazca plates, Scotia plates, Philippines Sea plate, Somalian plates, etc.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Hope you all have understand today's session very well.
Yes, teacher.
Do you have any doubt on the topic plates?
Understood very well. Like you said, today's session is very informative and important.
That's for our today's session. Now take a little break and prepare for next session.
Thank you, teacher.